What's up, everybody? I am here at the Grand Alora Hotel in Alor, Setar, Malaysia. Um, don't let the word grand fool you. There's not a whole lot grand about this room. This is fully lit, by the way. So excuse how dim the rest of this video is going to be. And this is a deluxe room at the Grand Alora. I'm going to walk you straight into the washroom. It's large, so that's nice. Uh, yeah, I don't know what else to tell you. It's got an echo. You've got a shower and like a like a sort of a rain shower up top and a wand down here. Uh, the throne looks a little dated. Some of this could maybe get replaced. Some maintenance maybe for some of these items. You can see wear and tear going on. Not in the best of shape. It really needs more lighting, is what it is. Like there are one, two, and three lights in this washroom, and there are three spotlights, which are terrible for lighting washrooms because you're just getting all the light from the top and like under the vanity and stuff, and around the mirror it's dark as hell. So not a great start. We're gonna go straight into the bedroom. Actually, before we do that, there's another mirror and vanity and like a coffee station and all that here. That's great. Just a closet for some stuff. Nothing big here. Just a hanger and safe and all of that. TV on the wall. That's about it there. There's a workstation there with a chair, luggage rack, sofa-esque chair, a larger chair, and a king bed. That's the extent of this room. And that's it. There you go. You've seen all of this room, the deluxe room. Obviously not super impressive. And my biggest peeve here is that it's terribly lit. It's really dark in here. But I'm going to swing open these curtains, give you a look at the view. We're on the 12th floor. A decent view. There's a Tesco across the street. And I'm looking at the town of Alor. Actually, I should figure that out because we're in a region called Kedah, and I don't know if this town is called Alor Setar or if the town is called Kedah, and I don't know. I have no idea. The airport we landed in was AOR, which is Alor Setar Airport, and this hotel is about a 15-minute car ride from it. And this is the nicest hotel in this town. So that was a brief and dirty tour of this totally not very impressive hotel room at the Grand Alora Hotel in Alor Setar in Malaysia. That's it for now. See you guys later. Bye.